Dad, look at those fish.
I see them. They're swimming very close to us.
Do you think we can catch one?
We can certainly try. Hold the rod carefully and keep your eyes on the water.
Like this, Dad?
Yes, that's right. Now cast the line gently.
I hope we catch a big fish.
Be patient. Let's see what happens.
Dad, something is pulling the line.
Keep the rod up. Don't let it go.
I caught it!
Well done. You did it.
Dad, we really caught a fish.
Yes, you did a great job.
What are we going to do with it?
We'll clean it first, season and cook it for dinner.
That sounds delicious.
Let's get started.
Dad, what are you doing first?
I'm cleaning the fish and removing the parts we don't need.
Do we have to clean it before...
We should always clean fish properly before we cook it.
I understand. What are you adding to the fish?
And lemon.
It already's delicious.
The seasoning will give it a wonderful flavour.
Is it ready for the grill?
Almost. Let's give it a few minutes. The grill is ready.
Is it hot enough?
Yes, it's nice and hot.
Here you are, Dad.
Thanks. Now let's put the fish on.
I can't wait to taste it. It smells amazing.
Yes, the lemon and herbs smell wonderful.
How do we know when it's ready?
When it's cooked through and nicely golden.
I really want to taste it.
Just a little longer.
Wow, Dad, it looks delicious.
It smells wonderful too.
I'm glad we caught that fish.
Me too. We caught it, seasoned it and cooked it together. Now let's enjoy our dinner.